Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a Brother MFC-7330 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass on this machine. If you've ever noticed that whenever you print to the printer from your computer and everything is coming out just fine, you're not having any problems, but as soon as you go to make a copy, whether it be from the top document feeder, or if you're scanning on the flatbed in this case, and all of a sudden you start getting defects, whether it be lines across the page or smudges, anything like that, then more than likely it's going to indicate that there's something on your scanner glass that's causing those defects. So in order to clean that, we just got to lift up the scanner there, and depending on when you're seeing the defects. If you're scanning through the top document feeder, that's when you're noticing lines and things like that. And that's going to be this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. If it's when you're using the flatbed copier, then that's probably going to be on this big flat piece of glass where there might just be some dirt or tape is really common. So the best way to clean it is your favorite cleaner, a glass cleaner. Or if you don't have glass cleaner, rubbing alcohol works really well as well, and a lint-free cloth. Always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never the glass. You can cause a lot of trouble if you put the cleaner directly on the glass. Always put it on your cloth first. And then you're just going to go and clean the glass really well. You're going to look for any kind of dirt buildup or ink, whiteout, like I said, tape. Those are all really common. After you wipe it off really good, just kind of take a look at it, see if there's anything you missed. You might have to go over it a couple times. And then once you're happy with that small strip, while we're here, we'll go ahead and wipe off the flatbed. It's pretty common for fingerprints and stuff to be on it, so it doesn't hurt to wipe it down. Alright, so I'm happy with the way that looks. So what I'll do now is close the top, and then I'll go ahead and run a couple of copies or scans through it just to make sure everything, that clears up all the defects that I was having. And then once I'm happy with it, then you'll be good to go. You'll be back up and printing.